Hello to all traders and welcome back to the market review brought to you by Orbex. So we're focusing on metals this week as we have been for the last few weeks since gold is on a trajectory towards 4,000 for the first time ever, breaking record after record. As you can see on the daily chart, we've got it up at the moment. We're just seeing that price action is moving slowly towards 3,800. So that just leaves a couple of $100 away from another phenomenal psychological peak. But it's not only gold that's really having a good run. If you look at silver at the moment, we're seeing slightly towards record highs, and if we go back to a weekly chart, as you can see here from the previous record high that we saw in 2011, we are just a few dollars away from that particular record. So it's not only gold that's giving us quite good opportunities, silver as well is really giving us more of a push. So let's just take a look at the intraday on gold before we get into more of the silver market. And as you can see here, we did have a little bit of a slowdown on gold. We just see at the moment that price action is moving a little bit lower, but we did find some nice firm support roughly around 37.30, and that was, if we've count out this false spike to the downside, as you can see here, nice bounce at that particular area before moving roughly around $20 in today's session. So with that being said, are we going to have more of a move to the upside? Is another record high on the cards? Most probably, because if we look at the next level of the psychological area of 3,800, we are just a few dollars short from that, roughly $30 to $40, which isn't really a big move as we've seen it on gold in the past few sessions. So where do you think gold is going? Are we going to see 4,000 by the end of the year? Are we going to see it by the end of the month perhaps? Or are we going to see it as we go into October? We'll have to wait and see. But as always, as usual, bringing all the latest in big moves in the market. The only thing that's possibly slowing things down is if we do get this bearish divergence that was happening in the last few trading sessions, which brought prices a little bit lower. So we are just trading in this $40 to $50 range at the moment, and hopefully we'll get more of a signal to the upside. So let's just take a look on silver as well intraday, because in today's trading session, really nice jump here over $1 so far today, and price action is now moving a little bit towards the upside even further today, but we're just having a slight bearish divergence if this peak doesn't get to where we want it to, if it doesn't get vastly overbought. But even if it does get overbought, that means that price action is expected to come down a little bit before potentially moving higher. So what do you think? Silver's pretty much mirroring gold at the moment. We're just getting more of a clearer picture if price action is going to break that perfect record high set in 2011 for silver, and gold on the other hand is hitting record after record. Obviously with tariff wars, with geopolitical tensions, and with the Fed not sure if they're going to cut again. They're saying they will, but obviously another round of interest rate decisions, another round of inflation, another round of jobs, employment data as well could actually change the Fed's mind pretty quick. So we'll have to wait and see if that does happen. But as always, like I said, we'll bring all the latest in fundamentals and technicals as they come on our YouTube and Telegram channel. So have a great trend day ahead. Until next time, bye for now.